Nscaler 454 here. I just wanted to do a quick video on a couple of new 3D designs that I made, starting with these jersey barriers. Now they are based off of actual dimensions I could find online. These are 10 feet wide in the real world, and they are based on a tongue and groove type design where you have the tongue on one side, the groove on the other. And so they can kind of go together and just help you keep a nice straight alignment. You can glue them before or after you paint them, in which case I do recommend super glue. End pieces, same deal, tongue and groove, which you can just simply, click on, and away you go. So looks really cool. Great little addition to the details of any kind of layout. The other thing I designed is these Armco barriers. These are 6 inches long. What I like about it is if it's too long for your section of layout, you can simply cut them to the length that you want. Now obviously I've painted mine. I painted it metallic gray with a touch of sky gray. I painted the supports dark iron and the ends of it a lemon yellow. The other thing that I like about it is that it's flexible, so you can go around corners without any kind of issue. I don't know if you can see it, but there are holes in each one of these supports. And the reason for that is it's designed for these little track nails. And the purpose is, well, one, to hold it into your layout nice and secure, but also if you're doing a corner, that is going to help it keep that shape exactly the way that you want. I know for sure because it is a 3D printed resin, this eventually is going to do some warping and twisting and stuff like that, so that's why we're going to mechanically lock it into place. So that is our new designs. Let me know what you think about them. If anybody wants to buy them, I am going to put up a shop on Shapeways, in which case I'll put a link in the description. I'll have it set up so that you can buy the main barriers separate as a pack, because some people may not want the ends, and then you can get those separately. I'll have probably a 2-pack or so of these Armco barriers. So you can get them from there. You can also send me a message on Instagram. Perhaps you can get a better pricing. It's hard to say. But yeah, if anybody wants to buy them, I'm sure there's a way to do it. And if you want to see them on the layout, make sure you subscribe because that's going to be in the next update.